helps in improving blood circulation, muscle tone, and improving the cardiovascular and respiratory system.
Can help us to breathe smoothly. Regulates our blood circulation. Is one of the important in regular exercise. Number 3. Miss Manasala.
It helps one to relax, cope with stress, and promotes health.
Okay. Regular exercise also important to help us sleep very well every day. When you are exercising regularly, you may sleep.
Tight. Is this tight?
No interruptions like insomnia. Miss Santos.
It helps you look and hear at your best and enhance the psychological well-being and improve self-esteem.
Regular exercise also important to give us confidence. See the girls who include at the pageant. They have confidence in themselves because they know that they are physically fit. Here are some guidelines for safe exercise. Do you know, class, that every exercise that they need safety. First one is this with Miss Krista.
Start each workout by doing a warm-up exercise.
Warm-up exercise is needed because our blood circulates right. The circulation of our blood right. Next one is Miss Ligno.
Set a realistic goal for your workout. Avoid trying to do too much or too fast.
It is not important to do too much or too fast. It is important to exercise regularly, smoothly. Do what you can, not what you do to be. Step by step. Stop exercising if pain occurs. Take a rest. If pain occurs, you may go to the doctor and consult to them. Or you may take a rest. You won't have lunch. Mr. Ila.
The type of exercise you are doing.
You can have accidents, right? The next one is Miss Atasa.
Drink plenty of fluids, especially water, to avoid dehydration.
Drink plenty of fluids, especially water, to avoid dehydration. We need to drink water before our exercise to prevent dehydration in our body.
At the end of your exercise routine, tentatively conclude your exercise.
When you are exercising, you need a few minutes cool down exercise when you need to regulate your blood. Rest and sleep. This way is condition. Rest and sleep. After an active day, your body needs to rest to help relax the muscles. No matter how physically you fit are, your body still gets tired and needs regular rest. When you are tired and exercising, you need to rest and sleep. To get enough sleep and get enough energy for another day. Please read Mr. Atias.
Resting gives the heart, lungs, and other muscle agents to relax or become fast. As you rest, your pulse rates slow down and will cause you to rest. When you sleep, your whole body will rest as well as your brain. However, that's not working because it keeps on working to store energy needed for the next day. Thus, it is very important to get enough sleep, at least 8 to 10 hours to keep yourself healthy.
As you said earlier class, you have 8 hours sleep. And according to this, it is very important to get enough sleep, at least 8 to 10 hours. And now, we will have our activity. I will demonstrate you different kinds of exercise. This exercise is called jumping jack. This exercise is called arm exercise. This one is called knees exercise, and this is hip exercise. I will group you into two. This is group 1 and this is group 2. I need representative in Each representative has 5 members and they need to demonstrate in front of the class.
Classmates, copy what we're doing.
1, 2, 3, 4,
10 arm exercise.
Hey guys, ito.